Australia and Queensland. And the Whit Sunday. I love holiday. I'm so happy. My husband was taking me twice, 3 times. Thank you. A year for holiday. Sana yung mga lalaki dyan, dalhin din yung asawa niyo mag-holiday, mga abangan.